Are you wondering if your vehicle has iron contamination and if it'll bleed purple like this? You can find out for yourself after I show you how to remove iron fallout from car paint using Adam's Iron Remover. Plus, I'll share pro tips, tools, and why this step can protect your paint long term and make it shine even more. First, you need to wash the vehicle safely and properly. I'm doing a pre-foam, rinse, foaming again, and then a hand wash for maximum safety and to reduce the chance of scratching. Now, you don't have to go that far. At the very least, just do a thorough hand wash using a high quality pH neutral soap or a rinseless wash solution. Then rinse the car off with a hose or a pressure washer like this. I'll speed this part up since this isn't a full wash tutorial. You'll want to check out more videos for a thorough tutorial on washing a car properly after this, if you need it. Okay, grab Adam's Polish's Iron Remover and make sure your sprayer is set to a wide pattern for quick, even coverage. Spray the product liberally across the surface, ideally from bottom to top for more consistent results. Quick reminder, always make sure the car is cool to the touch and if possible, work in the shade. I personally like to do this early in the morning or later in the evening for the safest results. If you want to check out any of the tools or products I use in this video, I've got all the links for you down in the description below. It's recommended that you try to avoid spraying the product on black plastic trim, but if you do, just use your wash media afterwards to wipe it off and reduce the chance of staining it. Make sure to not let the product dry on the surface during the 1 to 5 minutes of dwell time. I'll show you a pro tip in just a bit to increase the dwell time without wasting extra product to keep the surface wet, so hang tight. But this is how you know your car's paint has iron contamination. When you spray the iron remover, you'll see little purple spots bleeding out. That's the product reacting with iron particles stuck in your clear coat. It's not meant to fully remove them, but it softens and loosens them up so they can rinse off easier. But for complete removal, you'll still need to use a clay bar afterwards, which I'll show you soon, so don't stop here. Now, to stop the iron remover from drying on the paint, just give the panel a light mist with your pressure washer. Not too much though, you don't want to wash the product off yet. Just keep it a little wet so it keeps working. Feel free to rinse the black plastic trim as extra precaution. Now rinse the car thoroughly with a strong stream of water. So why do we care about removing iron fallout from car paint? That's because tiny pieces of metal from things like brake dust and dirty roads stick to your car's paint, even if you can't see them. If you leave them there, they can slowly eat into the paint and cause little rust spots. Removing them helps keep your car looking shiny and stops damage before it starts. Don't forget to finish with a clay bar. It helps remove any leftover iron fallout, including other additional contaminants, to make the surface super smooth. Smooth, clean paint gives the best shine, period. This is one of the biggest reasons my customers always ask how I get their cars looking so good. It's what separates real professional detailing from just a regular car wash. So I use a rinseless wash diluted at 64:1 while clay barring. It works great as a drying aid and doesn't need to be rinsed off. Now, let's also pre-treat the drying towel for extra slickness to help prevent scratching and simply dry off the car. After drying your car and the sun comes up, you'll see that blinding shine. I hope this video helped you learn how to remove iron fallout from car paint using Adam's Iron Remover. If it did, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with a friend or family member. I'm Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing, and if you want to keep learning car detailing the simple way, watch this next video right here. Enjoy the rest of your day and have fun detailing.